Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2016 Nissan Maxima Platinum. The Platinum is a range-topping trim level for the Maxima, and the Maxima is Nissan's flagship sedan, their most luxurious, expensive sedan that they make, and it really is a lot of bang for your buck. Obviously, working at Infinity is Nissan's luxury division, so you kind of look at the features and the content of this one versus some more expensive Infinity products, and it's pretty impressive what you get. Size-wise and feature-wise, you'd probably compare this to like our Infinity Q70 luxury sedan. But a similar Q70 with equipment like this would probably have an original MSRP of close to, $55,000, $60,000. This one was $43,350 when it was brand new. That's still a big chunk of change, and luckily at its pre-owned price, it's nowhere near its original MSRP. We have the build sheet on this one. Some of the big ticket features: it has illuminated kick plates. That was a $350 option. External ground lighting, $240 option. Interior lighting package, that was $250 option. And the premium spoiler, $400, and the 18-inch alloy wheels was a $900 option. Lots of nice features: blind spot warning, forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, nice quilted leather seats. You have this beautiful contrast stitching, wood interior trim. That contrast stitching is on the center console. You have synthetic leather and contrast stitching on the dashboard for a really premium feel. You have this alloy trim here. You have a drive mode selector. Makes changes to the transmission shifting, throttle sensitivity. You have an Xtronic CVT transmission, so it can offer really great performance, but it also can offer great fuel efficiency. Heated and cooled seats, and these things are really nice because instead of just on the heated side, rather than just having a heating element that warms up the seats, excuse me, you probably hear that fan going. Well, right now it's circulating warm air through the perforated holes. And likewise, you could put it in cool mode and it will circulate cooled air through the perforated holes in the seats. So having air circulation is going to be a lot more comfortable versus just a heating element. And cooled seats as a whole another level. I can tell you, as beautiful as this leather interior may be, when it's hot and muggy out, it can get uncomfortable. Sometimes me, if I get too warm, my back gets all sweaty and gross. Those cooled seats are a cure for that. Navigation, rear parking camera, as well as a 360-degree around view camera, moving object detection, panoramic roofs. That's another great feature. There's actually no Infinity Cooper sedan that you can get with panoramic sunroofs. That's a unique feature to this Maxima. Also has a power rear sunshade. A nice flat bottom steering wheel. The steering wheel is also heated. Nice contrast stitching, feels wonderful in your hands. This one has 41,125 miles. We acquired this off lease directly from a Nissan Motor Acceptance Corporation. Luckily, being in an Infinity dealership, we're part of the Nissan family, so we have access to closed sales on off-lease vehicles. And we sell a lot of high-line luxury vehicles, and maybe someone's looking for a new or pre-owned Infinity, and it's just a little bit out of their price range. Well, having a vehicle like this sometimes is another option for a lot of people. It really is a lot of vehicle for your money. Maxima all-season floor mats, which are almost a must in our neck of the woods. Over our wet weather, carpeted floor mats have a tendency to get destroyed fairly quickly. Tinted windows, really beautiful color combination. These are upgraded wheels. They look gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And being a full-size sedan, you have excellent interior space, even in the back. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and I still have plenty of legroom back here. So maybe you're thinking about using the Maxima as an Uber or a Lyft. Well, it'd definitely be a great vehicle to do so in, with the excellent legroom. Uh-oh, looks like I'm stuck. Someone left the child locks on. Well, we know the child locks work. I'll turn those off so it doesn't happen to someone else. Good thing the window lock wasn't on either, or I'd have to climb over the center console, which wouldn't be a very pretty thing. A 4-door SC. That stands for 4-door sports car, which Nissan has always used to describe the Maxima ever since it came out in the mid 80s. I think was 85 or 86, so I think was one of the first years of the Maxima. And it's evolved and has become larger and more luxurious. This has been serviced and checked by our Nissan certified techs. Since we are part of the Nissan family, our techs are not just Infiniti certified, they're also Nissan certified as well. Really is a beautiful automobile. HID lights provide outstanding nighttime visibility. You have that daytime running strip. The heart of the Maxima is the award-winning VQ35 engine. It makes 300 horsepower. These engines are amazing. I have an 05 G35 that has a similar engine. It's basically the same engine. Obviously they make minor changes to it for different vehicles. My car is rear-wheel drive. This one's front-wheel drive, so they have to make changes for it to operate on a front-wheel drive platform. But these engines regularly go 200,000–300,000 miles. The engine's designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles. And I can tell you, as a 15-year veteran of Infiniti, retailers, and 2 years at Nissan, 17 years, I've seen many variations of these engines coming on trade and for service with 300,000 miles still running strong. Features maintenance-free timing chains, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Those timing chains are zero maintenance and are designed to last the service life of the engine, 300,000 miles. Also, thanks to platinum tip spark plugs, your first major tune-up is not till 105,000 miles. If you're in the market for a premium luxury sedan, this Maxima is definitely worth a look. Any questions, give us a call, and it also comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.